Get in, girl, we're going to Dollar Tree.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Wild Grain. Old money Christmas that can be done in minutes. I'll show you exactly how to do this mantle. Everything in this video is from Dollar Tree or Thrifty finds. Keep these 10 simple ideas in your back pocket because you can do them in seconds and you'll actually use them. First up, go to Dollar Tree and grab a glass vase. You could thrift one of these, maybe you have one at home, and Dollar Tree has incredible ornaments. Also, the thrift store has lots of ornaments in the Christmas section, but all you need are a vase, ornaments, lights, and any type of greenery. I got mine from outside and all items from the Dollar Tree. Set this inside your vase, and I thrifted some beautiful vintage books to put this on my ottoman. If you're not a Christmas decorator, you're not good at this stuff, I literally made this video for you. Okay. In Dollary, my beautiful friend, do not buy the pre-lit garlands. They are gross, they shed, they don't look great. What I want you to buy instead are these mini pine picks. These are $1.50, you get 6 of them, and I've got a hack you've never seen before. Grab the 36 pack of berries and 2 of the 18-inch Christmas trees. Yes, 2. For about $6, I'm making a Pottery Barn dupe. This recipe are trees, picks, berries, and an urn. These are like home decor recipes and I'm loving it. So what you want to do is fluff one of your Dollar Tree trees, but just on one side. Do the same to the other, and then you're going to put these together so they're thick. But what's going to give it texture is using these pine picks to twist the trees together, and it's going to give it lots of dimension. Add some of the berries to the top and stick this in a thrifted urn. I added a bow to mine and put it right in my kitchen. Should we go to the thrift store in a future video together? Let me know. I've been thrifting a lot with friends recently and it's been so fun, and the amount of Christmas items that I found are epic. Okay, so recipe number 3 is thrifted magic, finding an elegant tree. Now in a recent video, I shared with you some Dollar Tree trees, which are actually awesome. I also wanted to remind you, because this is about using what you have, reusing, recycling. Facebook Marketplace has so many trees right now, at least in my area, on sale for great prices. Lots of them less than $100, brand new in boxes. This goes out to all my friends with an older tree, okay? Grab some berries, and if your tree is a little bit thin, needs some extra love, maybe it's many years old, these berries are gonna help give it dimension and texture, and I've got some tricks for you too.
I'm gonna have all of my ornaments go into the tree. So if I was like a little Chip and Dale walking through the branches, I would see all of the pretty things straight into the tree.
I challenge myself to only use what I have. I just bought one new thing for the tree this year, and that are these flameless LED candles. When you see these on the trees, you're gonna fall in love. They're actually on sale right now, and it works out to about $2.25 a piece. And everything else I added to the tree were things I had or I made. Slice oranges thinly, and the secret to drying oranges is to pat them dry before putting them in the oven at 200 degrees for 2 hours. And midway through the baking process, give them a little flip, and that's going to help them dry evenly. These make amazing ornaments. I actually saved these from last year, and you can use them year to year. And this year, I went totally nostalgic. On our main tree, these are all the ornaments that we've kept. Yes, this is my little Dollar Tree hack for my ornaments for many, many years. The things that make me happy are family memories.
This is the kind of stuff that, like, these are vintage and beautiful. Like, you don't have to go buy these new. Like, find something from your stash and pull it out. Maybe you forgot you had it.
I love these ornaments because they all tell a story. I remember who gave them to me when we took the photos, and stay tuned because I have the full tree reveal, and I'm going to share with you the easy way that I make my mantle, and I do it fast. I'm going to link these candles below. They are a Balsam Hill dupe, and they are on sale right now on Amazon, and this is like a 10-second hack. Because of the weighted crystal on the bottom, you stick the candle in, it has a battery inside, and these rest on tree branches. These look fantastic. You get 12 in a pack, and this really takes the tree of things I had to the next level. And for my super frugal friends out there, if you want to find these at Dollar Tree, you can too. These are $7. And this one is on a battery pack, and I like to put these on my smaller trees in the kitchen. I am so excited for our mantle coming up. But first, my hack for easy recipes and hosting with ease. I've got a simple recipe coming up, and speaking of making holiday hosting simple, today's video is brought to you by Wild Grain. Oh my gosh, this is the coolest subscription service that delivers fresh, baked from frozen artisanal breads, pastries, and pasta made with all clean ingredients. It supports the best small bakeries around the country and is freezer to table in 25 minutes. These giant ginger molasses cookies were insanely good. I love their apple pastries. Unlike many store-bought options, Wild Grain uses simple ingredients you can actually pronounce and a slow fermentation process. Their sourdough is absolutely wonderful, and 2 meals are donated with every order. That is so beautiful. I am not a baking expert, which is why I love that Wild Grain helps me look like one without the stress. You can even buy some of their items in bulk for holiday gatherings. My favorites are their croissants, sourdough breads, and the tear and share cranberry pecan rolls. Oh my goodness, they are so good. It's such an honor to work with them. Plus, they are giving you $30 off your first box, plus free croissants for life. Visit wildgrain.com and use the code ONADIME. Link is down below. Their butter is also so good.
Oh, it's just good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Mmm.
I like to keep it simple. Now, you may remember a few videos ago, I shared with you my Dollar Tree and Thrifted tablescape. I absolutely love getting my stemware from the Dollar Tree, but over time, I've used mine for at least 6 years now. I can upgrade when I thrift it, and here's how I do it.
I love the Dollar Tree glassware, the Dollar Tree candlesticks, and then over time when I'm thrifting, I can find brand new pieces like these goblets to replace my old ones. This cost me $3 and it's Waterford crystal. This cost me $1.50 and it's from the Dollar Tree. But these things do take time to find. I found this listing on Facebook Marketplace, a set of 8 for $25. That is about $3 a glass. And here's a little hack, how to tell glass from crystal. Are you ready? So here's what glass sounds like. So next time you're in the thrift store, you can try this out. All right, that's his glass. And this is crystal. Do you hear the difference? So you can find Dollar Tree items to make your home so elegant, and then when you thrift something, you can pass along your Dollar Tree finds and upgrade to something beautiful. Because if you want to save a dime, you've got to put in the time.
That's honestly how my entire house is. It's kind of all thrifted from the Dollar Tree, and I don't want you to be able to tell. Like when you walk in, you don't know what's a DIY, what I made, where I got it. I think that makes it the most fun. And I do have my mantle coming up, so stay tuned. I think that might be my favorite part of the video, but the most practical part, I had to share this. These are flying off the shelves at my Dollar Tree. These glass bowls, they look like they're vintage, and my all-time favorite recipe to go inside are candied pecans. Pecans. Tell me how you say it in the comments. I will put the recipe below. It's vanilla and egg whites, and you just want to beat it up until it's nice and frothy. And then you're going to combine cinnamon and sugar in a bowl, and you're going to pour the pecans over it, and then you just bake these. This is so fast. You can literally fill these jars after you bake this in like 15 seconds and they look great. So if you're not really good at DIYs or you just are not really confident in your skills, this is a great recipe to try because it comes out great every time. I do not think you can mess up a nut in sugar. Truly though, if I share something with you in a video, I want it to be actually easy. I would love to know if there's DIYs that you've tried from Do It on a Dime where you're like, oh my gosh, I use that from year to year, or this became a part of our family tradition. Like getting to hear that means so much to me. Like just read the comments on these videos. Like everybody is so nice. Like how did I get so lucky to have you guys? All right, so home hack recipe number 7, we're tackling the mantle.
Today I'm decorating a mantle to be a beautiful Ralph Lauren style. And I want to share with you how I'm doing this using items that I already have. I feel like you probably already have Christmas decor. And my first affordable trick is painter's tape. I use painter's tape all over for Christmas decorating. So for this mantle, what I want to do is I want to string garlands kind of like this. That's what I'm envisioning. And then I'm going to use painter's tape to help secure it. You can find this at the dollar store.
I have done this for so many years, my goodness, on stone mantles, on wood mantles, because this doesn't take the paint off, but it also sticks really well. I just put it on the edge of the mantle. That's the real secret to give it depth and dimension.
All right, there we go. So we got, woo, wavy swag.
And I voice over a lot of this because I don't even know what I'm saying half the time, but I just wrap the painter's tape around like this, and then I stick it with firm pressure on the mantle, and I do that at least 3 different pieces per section that I'm attaching. And then I put a Real Touch garland over top. I'm gonna link some of my favorites below for you that are actually affordable. Sometimes I put picks inside. Real Touch garlands just mean that these look realistic. You can get them for about $30. And then I put in Dollar Tree lights and then free items. That's the thing about decorating. If you use what you have and what's available to you, especially natural things, that's going to give it a lot of elegance. A simple way to update what you have is to just buy a new spool of ribbon. This was from my stash, but I'll be sure to link an affordable option below. Velvet ribbon is so in right now, and I think it looks great on a mantle. Dollar Tree element are berries. I decided to put this part in the video because I really like to see like step by step exactly how somebody does something and like layers things in, because sometimes we can look at pictures of things, but it can feel really overwhelming. I promise it doesn't have to be. You can do this really simply and quickly. The stockings were thrifted, the garland a steal, styled like old money, but budget for real. For Christmas, my friends, isn't bought in a store. It's found in the simple, the used and restored. It lives in the laughter, the warmth, and the light, in memories crafted by candlelit night. So here's to the thrifters, the makers, the bold, creating rich magic with pennies, not gold. May your Christmas be lovely, your home full of cheer, and your budget stay merry throughout the whole year.
I had so much fun making this video. Leave it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and be sure to check out Wild Grain. The link is down below, and get $30 off of your first box, plus free croissants for life, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll see you soon.
Want to keep hanging out? Me too. I hand selected a video just for you on screen. I'll see you there.